Joe, Shaun, Happy New Year. Welcome back to not Behind the Bricks. This is Deals of the Week.
Welcome to the new decade, Seth Glasser.
2023. We made it, guys.
Deals of the Week. We made it. Welcome to January, congratulations to you guys. We all had a fantastic year, and I think this year, I actually think it could be much bigger in our business. So I'm really excited about this.
I agree. The momentum in January feels better than we all expected.
So Riney, 88 Fifth Avenue out in Park Slope in Brooklyn. This looks like a nice cookie cutter building. What is this?
Well, everyone wants vacant. Everyone wants to renovate. Everyone wants tax class 2B. Everyone wants great locations. This has all four of those buckets. So this is 6 apartments over retail. Very close to Barclays Center. If you're a Brooklyn Nets fan, go to a game this week. Check out the property. Again, all apartments will be delivered vacant. The retail is a below market lease, still has a little bit of term left on it. Essentially, at our asking price on very conservative rents that you'll probably outpace in reality, you could probably build into a 6.5% cap on cost. Now, a 6.5% cap on cost might not look amazing today, but if there is an interest rate reversion, everyone that buys in today's market will be rewarded and look like the geniuses that just simply made a bet that interest rates will settle down.
Why is it vacant? It looks like
vacant because sellers know that it's worth more vacant. You want to renovate the entire thing at one point, at one moment in time. There's one tenant there, but that'll be delivered vacant. And it's just easier to renovate an entire property. So we're coaching sellers into slowly getting their buildings fully vacant because we know the common objection is there's a tenant inside, it's more complicated, blah, 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 blah. So this is what everybody wants. It's just a question of pricing, but this is great location, tax class 2B. We're all aware of the institutions that are playing in this space now that will buy this when it's fully finished in free market. This is one of those opportunities. Give us a call.
I love it. All right, Joey, East 88th Street.
We're going to the Upper East Side.
Upper
88th
East Side.
Street between 1st and 2nd, 75 feet of frontage. We're asking $560 a foot, 67% market rate. Yes, the cap rate seems low. That's going to be a little bit of the pushback, but the rents are low. And everybody wants value add. Everyone wants, a building they can push their rents, and you have free market, units that are getting undervalued, currently undervalued. The taxes are right in line with 28%. Your average rent's $1,800 for the Upper East Side. So we sold 3 other buildings for this family last year. They own these 3, and we're selling another one on 83rd Street. This will be sold as a package of 3 buildings. It's very rare where you can get 75 feet of frontage across the street from a church, great light and air, and nothing's getting built across the street. So guys should take a look, attractive basis. I will tell you from a diligence perspective on the last deals, the paperwork was as clean as could be in today's environment. They keep impeccable records. They self-manage, and they have a real institutional type of management company.
Any error rates on that? Couldn't quite see.
Yeah, it's minimal.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, very cool. Nice. Someone will buy that. So this is a deal out in the Bronx, Purdy Street. These are 3 adjacent buildings. These are 100% free market. They were built in 2004 without a tax abatement. So these are inherently free market. They're tax class protected. And the play here is your average rent is, it's $1,650 a month. If the only thing you did was just re-rent these apartments to the Section 8 rents, you would build this to a 10 cap.
So why is someone not buying it?
Wow.
This is why we're doing the show, Joe.
Oh, got it. Perfect.
Is this Seth, is this the first time you've worked on Purdy Street? Is this call right now?
Good question, but no. This is just, look, it's Bronx, it's free market, so it's a little funky. It's $227 a unit when most of the buildings in the Bronx sell for half of that price per unit, right? We
Gotcha.
get people saying, hey, I would buy something for $100 a door. Or
but it's not your typical Bronx building.
It's not your typical Bronx building. We're asking 11 times the rent and a 5.2 cap in the Bronx. So most people hang up the phone at that. But if you actually pay attention and realize what the opportunity is here, you can literally go build this to a 10 cap. And the only thing that you have to do is re-rent the free market apartments, which is every single unit in the building, to Section 8 tenants at Section 8 rents, and you would double the rent roll and you would build it to a 10 cap. And this is totally available. There's no lead. It was built in 2004. It's tax class protected. There's no paperwork because it's built in 2004 and it's all free market. This is a good deal.
It should be
Man.
sold after this video is released.
If
Good
you
job.
already own Section 8 type tenancies, this seems like a kind of no brainer. Reward your management company with a 10% management fee and you could still make some money.
Yeah.
All right, Happy New Year, everybody. Look forward to the next deal of the week. And good to see you, Seth. And you, Shaun, as well.
Thanks, guys.
Rock and roll.
Take care.